This is my 1-year review of this Coolchill Max air cooler. It is not an air conditioner, but it works surprisingly well. As you can see, I can feel very cool air, not cold, but coolish air coming out. It's frozen in water. I had it for a year now. It's been working great. You get 99 fan speeds. It uses a conventional phone charger, as you can see, and it connects by USB-C. So it's our first hot day of the season. It got up to about 29 degrees today, so it's quite warm, and this is perfect for it. As you can see, it hardly uses any power. It uses as much power as a computer fan. It's practically a computer fan that blows, as you can see. I don't know why. I personally like to set it around 50. That's my preferable wind speed, because this can get quite noisy, but it will keep me asleep for the night. It's adequate enough. Even with the windows open, it really helps. You know, you need dry air for it to work good, because it also humidifies the room. It actually got really dry today, down to about 20% humidity. That thing has increased my room humidity to about 45%. And it has dropped the temperature to just you know, to about 24 degrees. So that's very cool from that thing. So this is not like those you know, those Arctic air garbage. This actually works. Let me show you the original packaging. Yeah, I live in a house with no air conditioning, because you know. Here, this is what the original packaging would look like. I unboxed it last year. It's the Coolchill Max Space Cooler. This was just bought online. I think they still sell it, I think. So that's a good thing. As you can see, it shows you how it works. I didn't even freeze the filter, and it actually works pretty good. I just froze the you know, the water tank when there's a thin layer of ice in it, and then the air blows out of it. It's about like 15 degrees, because I have tested with a thermometer. So yeah, it's been working really good. It keeps the room nice and cool and moist, because it's also a humidifier. And close it. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna turn it up, just, you know, before I, you know, yeah, 75 is a good fan speed before it gets too loud. You can turn it all the way down to 1, that would be like almost nothing. Don't know why they have so much fan speed. You also get a night light, which is pretty cool. There's also a fake button right here, a dummy switch. Yeah, it's a pretty basic setup, and of course here's your power button. You just turn it, you press it, and it just goes to 0, which means off. Press it again and it turns back on, obviously, to your saved settings. And that's pretty much it. It's a really cool, neat feature for the price what I paid, for about $60. Can't really go wrong. In fact, can't even get it working used air conditioning for $60. Let me tell you, this is so worth it. They're not paying me to advertise. This is just from my own perspective, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell.